Dude, I'm so glad you're here! Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited! You know what we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around, right? Right! So first up, you're gonna want to head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get a wheel. Win enough of them, and bam, you've got a shiny new ride. All right, there's so many to collect, I just can't keep count. So buckle up and start your engines. This is gonna be one awesome ride.
This time Protel will test drive monster truck. Let's go to the races.
We are now live for the greatest pushed them to their limits. Next one is yours. I know it. And the winner is Dune It Up. Which car?
Proceed to the second race using the jump rope.
There's no way you're losing this one. I can feel it. What a performance! And the winner is Dogzilla!
Thanks for watching. See you next video.